You know what? But I admire too. That's why I like to have you on the. Every single time I'm always interviewing them, always something new. And one thing I admire about you that a lot of people don't have when it comes to the game is your patience.
Yeah, you have to.
What you do with the stretching, with the bands, with the slow movements, you're happy with 1 or 2 reps just to get those 2 in. I watched that and I admire that, and that's one thing that I think really progressed you in this game to get you to the point where you are.
Yeah.
Because you have a lot of patience. A lot of people just want to, fuck it, I'm gonna go to the bar, do 100 pull-ups.
Yeah,
Pull-ups are horrible, no stretch, no amount of muscle. But you took the time, you took 1 step slow for like 4 or 5 months on 1 step, another 4 or 5 months on the second step. You go really slow. Why you what got you there? And what you know, how you master that patience? How did you get to that point?
Because, bro, when you're trying to do some incredible things, you can't rush greatness. Look at Michael Jordan, nigga. Look at Kobe. Look at LeBron. This is in the gym, working on their craft every day, 6-hour sessions. Like, you're not gonna beat a guy he wants it the most, but he's taking his time with it. You know what I mean? Like, you can't rush greatness. You can't rush. You hype yourself fast, you say some stupid shit. Because you're excited. Oh, I'm about to go do this. And then you up your whole plan. Like, slow down. Take your time. 1 step at a time, like Kobe said. Yeah. Rest in peace. That's one of my biggest inspirations. Like, then they get trained 6-hour days. What? That's why nobody was with him. Because he got to a point he can't agree. Good. Yeah. Like, nobody wanted it like that. So it's like, just take your time.